So in this video, we want to talk about NIO, and in particular, we want to talk about the 10% surge we saw the other day amid optimism that the company's EV deliveries could hit record levels this month. However, price cuts implemented by the Chinese EV maker in March boosted its deliveries. However, the price cuts could weigh on its profitability going forward. Now, I do want to note two things before we look at the higher time frame. And this blue rectangle, we're going to call that daily buyers at $4.60. So a couple things to note. Again, we had a double bottom indicating bullish reversal. Now, what is this aqua downtrend line? We'll look at that in a minute. But what you can see is we had a gap higher, which is denoted by an green extended range candle. So we had a rally, had a couple of basing candles, and then rally out. Look at that volume bar. Typically, when you have this impulse, you usually have a pullback. However, this pullback was in the form of a bull flag. And what did the price do when it came back to this level, which is daily buys level at $4.60? We went higher. Now, kind of zooming out. So this is that daily buys we looked at a minute ago. But big picture, you have potentially what I'm calling is a monthly double bottom. Right, the last bottom was back in January of 2020. And from the glimpse of the price action on the daily chart, potentially we're forming another bottom. The next major level, again, major level is going to be the $7 level, which was support in the past. How do things look like on the weekly chart? So again, this is that aqua trend line that we saw on the daily chart. And as you can see, for the first time in weeks, we recently closed above it. Again, another sign of a reversal. You do have a lot of trading to the left of current price. So consider that quicksand for price, right? Meaning potentially price is going to take its time moving higher. All right, with that said, let's look at the news and why price rose 10% the other day. So NIO's previous monthly deliveries recorded was notched in July of 2023 when it handed over 20,462 EVs. Analysts' optimism about the company's ability to eclipse that record this month may be due to its decision to lower the monthly fees for its battery swapping service in March. In the wake of that move, NIO's April deliveries more than doubled versus the same period a year ago. Also bullish on NIO's recently was Morgan Stanley. On May 30th, the bank said its research indicated that the company was delivering about 6,000 EVs per week. Its analysts reiterated an overweight rating on the stock. Now, the company's reduction in the prices it charges for its battery swapping program and EVs is likely to weigh on its profit margins and bottom line. With the company due to report its fiscal quarter results this week, investors could react poorly if the company's profitability metric are indeed poor. So what is price action setting up for? Again, profitability expected to get hit, which means that we could revisit the daily buys level before moving higher. What's interesting to note is the yellow line, which is the 200-day moving average, is sitting right at that resistance, which was support in the past level. So after earnings this week, I will report back my findings and will give you another video update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.